you to lead me to the dark. Don't need you to tear my heart apart. Don't do that. The people say that you're my enemy. I know you can set me free. Don't want you to come so close to me. Don't need you to blow my fantasy. But I know that you are living far beyond those lies. I can see the danger rise in your eyes. Cool vibes, why didn't you kill me?